Hi everyone, welcome back to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Today I'm going to be pouring pearls on a scraped canvas. The colors, I'm only going to use two colors. That's black, which is, I've had it for a while, the Flow acrylic from Micheals Artist Loft. This one seems to pearl really easily. And the other one is, where is it? I must have put it away. Why? I don't know. Anyway, this Handy Art, real cheap paint, but it pearls really nicely too. So I'm just using those colors. In here is 50% Floetrol and 25% GAC 800 and 25% Liquitex Pouring Medium to equal amounts of paint, and then I added water to a thin consistency. Now both these colors are thicker than my base color. They do leave a little mound, but then they sink really quick. So I always like my colors just a tiny bit thicker. So if you're not getting pearls, you might want to try that. And it does matter what brand paint you use. It just does. I don't even know why. For me, anyway. So just take a look at some YouTubes doing pearls and try to get the same exact paints that they're using. Now this I did some experimenting with. I'm not sure if that video will be up. Yeah, it is up, as a matter of fact. So I did some experiments and then I just sort of dumped it all in one. I didn't want to waste it. So this has a lot of stuff in it. You don't have to have everything I have in here, but if you do, then it'll work. But there's other recipes that I'll have down in the description that'll also work. So this recipe is 2 parts Artist Loft White Flow. Just opened it, and of course you can't get this anymore. Hopefully they start making it again. It's Soft Body, which means the recipe would be completely different. 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part GAC 800, a half a part Liquitex Pouring Medium, a half a part Deco Art Satin Enamel White, and a half a part Behr Untinted 7300. So it's a lot of stuff in this, but you don't have to do it. You can just get some Behr Satin and, was it 7300? You can get some white, or there's a number of Behr Satins you can get that'll work with just Floetrol and Liquitex Pouring Medium. So let's get going. I want to go ahead and paint the canvas first with, I don't know why I did that. I want to paint it with this. A little thicker paint. This is like gold. I probably could use another kind of paint. I don't know. I think that's okay. That way, when it falls over the edge, hopefully it'll stick to the canvas better. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry just a bit, because you shouldn't have put what I'm using for my base on here. Make sure that doesn't show through. Alright, it's tacky, so let's get going. I'm going to have enough. By the way, this is a 12 by 16 canvas. Let's see if this is enough. It is. It may not be. These handles do help keep your gloves cleaner. You can pick these up at Grateful Creations. She has a discount code, Michelle does, so check her out. These fit on any size canvas, so they're nice to have. Of course, mine got rusted right away because I'm outside and it's humid here in Hawaii, so just don't want to waste it. That white's like gold, huh? Okay, that wave came off. I'm gonna go back. I do have one gooby on there. I also have some Flow acrylic gold, which I really like. I like doing the web effect with this one. So check back on my prior videos and I show you how I do the web effect. I need to do another one of those. It's been a long time. Well, it's probably been 2 years since I've done one. I think we're good. One more torch. All right, I'm gonna go black, red, black, red, black. Black. Red. Black. Red. And black. Guys seem to dig red and black paintings. All of them I've done, they seem to really, they're the ones that buy my red and black paintings. So we're going to have some negative space on this, I assume, which is fine. The black pearls a little better than the red does. Already starting to come up, so I'm going to try to work a little faster. Get that one wave off. Sorry. There we go. And bring it back. So it's weird how some cheap paints work good with certain techniques, just like what we're using that Walmart brand for some of the pearls. We're getting wonky over there in the corner. I think I'm going to stop, bring it back. I think these are reactive enough where they're still going to pearl if I don't get enough off. So we'll see. Yeah, they wonked out over here. Sort of bummed about that, but they came too fast. A lot of shadowing going on. There. Give it a torch. I get, it might be too thick here. Yeah, when you layer your paints with this technique, you know, it gets thick, so then you have to hurry up and get it off, and it's hard to get it off sometimes. So you need, when you're going to layer like that, you need some very reactive paint, and this black is pretty reactive, so, and the red is too. So I'm hoping it'll continue, so we'll put it on time lapse and see where we end up. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes and I am glad I didn't tilt more, because I did want, you know, more negative space and for that black and red to show through the middle there. So I'm super happy with this. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a little close-up video, and then if it changes anymore, I'll have some pictures at the end. But yeah, I'm happy with this. I like how it's like puzzle pieces together. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please shop my Amazon shop. Go ahead and click there down below in the description. And I'll see you next time. Aloha.